أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع. The word for day in Arabic is yom. Yom. The plural of day, days, is ayam. Ayam. And finally, the word for week in Arabic is usbu'. Usbu'. Let's try those again. Yom, ayam, usbu'. Now let's begin. The days of the week are Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ahad, Sunday. Yom al-Ithnain. Yom al-Ithnain, Monday. Yom al-Thulatha. Yom al-Thulatha, Tuesday. Yom al-Arbi'ah. Yom al-Arbi'ah, Wednesday. Yom al-Khamis. Yom al-Khamis, Thursday. Yom al-Jum'ah. Yom al-Jum'ah, Friday. Yom al-Sabt. Yom al-Sabt, Saturday. Now I'd like you to practice writing the days of the week. So get a paper and pencil, and as we say each word, I want you to write it. Let's begin. Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ahad, Sunday. Pause the recording and write Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ithnain. Yom al-Ithnain, Monday. Yom al-Thulatha. Yom al-Thulatha, Tuesday. Yom al-Arbi'ah. Yom al-Arbi'ah, Wednesday. Yom al-Khamis. Yom al-Khamis, Thursday. Yom al-Jum'ah. Yom al-Jum'ah, Friday. Yom al-Sabt. Yom al-Sabt, Saturday. Great, so now you would have written all of the days of the week. Let's review. Listen and repeat the name of the day of the week after I say it. Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ithnain. Yom al-Thulatha. Yom al-Arbi'ah. Yom al-Khamis. Yom al-Jum'ah. Yom al-Sabt.